Gambier Bears Family Trust, hey, 25 lengths steers, 263 kilos. Hey, this weight steers, aren't they? Hey, releases there, 22.17.
Good afternoon, Andrew Whan here from Whan and John Mount Gambier with a report on today's sale here at Mount Gambier, the 11th of March. A yarding of 4,200 cattle, 1,000 more than was advertised, and the numbers drew the competition.
15, that's 17, oh that's 16, 16 a bit 16, hey money spinners guys, 16, oh that's 1,600, hey 1,600.
We had a full field of New South Wales and South Australian and Victorian competition, and the job, I'd say the steer job, we didn't have the weight of last month. There are not many steers over 500 kilos here, but a lot of feeder and major New South Wales feeder competition, and the South Australian and Vics pushing those cattle up to about $2,800 or $2,900.
Hey, 25 lengths steers, 263 kilos. Hey, this weight steers, aren't they? Hey, releases there, 22.17. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. That 23, 50 AJF, with a 7, 24.
Best weaner steers coming in at $600, and then right down onto the little calves. We had little calves that weren't weighed that made $9.50 and things like that, little steers, so it was very, very strong.
22 and a half, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 93, 23, 20, 40, 60, 23.80, 4, 24, 24, 24 off to Lindsay.
Heifer job, a very, very good line of Black Angus heifers here, and again the north very strong going back for breeding, and also the local feeder and grass finishes here.
22.50, I'd have thank you. I'd have 22.50, 22.50 the money down. That's 22.50, Duncan Brown.
So we've had a very good day, had very good competition from fellow RMA agents, so their support was great going back into South Australia, Victoria and New South Wales. So a very good day here at Mount Gambier. Thank you.
Are you partnered with an RMA Network independent livestock and property agent?